Good morning. Welcome to your Monday, September 25th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have high pressure off to our north that will be influencing our weather pattern, along with Category 1 Hurricane Maria off the southeast coastline, and will be acting to increase the pressure gradient between the two systems over our area. So we will be encountering some more breezier conditions as we head into the later portion of this morning into the afternoon time frame, as well as this low-level cloudiness that will remain across the area. It looks like we'll remain dry today, but we'll start to increase our rain chances as we head into the early morning hours tomorrow, as Hurricane Maria slowly inches northward, but it looks like it will be remaining well off the coast with just some breezier conditions and some rainfall, light rain showers affecting us over the next couple days. Zooming in over the current area, we just have over the local area, we do have just some anomalous propagation showing up on the radar imagery, and we have some east to northeasterly winds that are beginning to pick up, still remaining fairly light, about 5 to 10 knots, with some slight gusts above that. Temperatures rising to around the 70-degree mark for today. And again, still plenty of low-level cloudiness that's not quite showing up on the IR imagery here, but we will be dealing with that low-level cloudiness as we go throughout the day. Currently, we do have a ceiling at 1,000 feet with a east to northeasterly wind at 8 knots, temperature of 70 degrees as of 8 a.m. this morning. And for the next 24 hours, we'll be green across the board in terms of our hazards during the daytime hours and into the early overnight hours as well. Our winds will be picking up out of a northeasterly direction, increasing to 8 to 13 knots before the noontime hour, and then increasing to 11 to 16 knots, gusting to around 18 knots throughout this afternoon. Temperatures topping out at around 79 degrees today, with mostly cloudy skies. Could temporarily see them become overcast around that 1,000-foot level as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon time frame. And then overnight, again, we'll be looking at low ceilings, continuing with some breezier conditions. Winds will drop off a little bit during the overnight hours, northeasterly at about 9 to 14 knots. But then as we head into tomorrow morning after 4 a.m., we'll start to see our rain chances increase. And when I say increase, it's really only going to be a slight chance, about a 25% chance of any light shower activity, but our ceilings will be lowering as well, expecting ceilings to be around 800 feet, possibly 700 feet, with 4 statute mile visibility and some light shower activity early tomorrow morning into the daytime hours as well. We'll only get down to a low of around 69 degrees, which is about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year, and our winds will be increasing as well, northeasterly at about 11 to 16 knots and gusting to 20 by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then winds will continue to increase further as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon time frame. So for tomorrow, mostly cloudy to overcast and breezy with a slight chance of scattered light rain showers with a high of 75 degrees. Now, it won't be a washout, and we're not expecting really any moderate rainfall. We'll just be encountering some scattered outer bands from Maria possibly moving over the area, and it'll be very light when they do move over the area. But again, winds will be increasing. We'll be flirting with that 30 mile per hour mark throughout the day tomorrow, but our winds really won't begin to start increasing until over that 30 mile per hour mark until about Tuesday night into Wednesday. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy, overcast, and breezy. Just a slight chance of a shower with a low of 71 degrees, and then on Wednesday, mostly cloudy and breezy with a slight chance of scattered showers, a high of 78 degrees. And looks like likely chances that we'll be over that 30 mile per hour wind mark for us on Wednesday. We'll potentially once we get into tomorrow, see this color turn to red, as it's going to be a fairly likely situation that we'll see plus 30 mile per hour winds. So we look at Hurricane Maria right now as a Category 1 hurricane off the southeast coast that is slowly churning northward and is being impacted by the high pressure system off to our north. Kind of hard to see on the satellite imagery, but it is encountering some shear on the western side of it, and also some water temperatures that are running about 2 to 4 degrees below normal than what the models are actually depicting, which is leading to a decrease in its intensity, and expected to remain a weak Category 1 hurricane as we go throughout the next couple days. Right now, Category 1 with a maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 961 millibars, and moving slowly in a northward direction at 7 miles per hour. And again, that's mainly due to the high pressure system that's off to the north that's impeding its northward progress. The Hurricane Center forecast track is again slowly moving northward, turning into a tropical storm by Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then making a sharp right turn as a cold front, a surface low, and its associated cold front will be tracking across the Great Lakes over the New York State and out to sea. That cold front will actually pick up this system and push it out to sea and keep it from really affecting the local area here. Really just going to see in terms of impact some higher winds, especially on Wednesday, again with also some higher tides as well, and some stronger surf in the coastal regions. But again, that'll be the main impacts from this system in terms for the Wallops area, and the models are in good agreement that this system is going to be making that sharp right turn, and that looks like a very likely scenario again with that cold front that'll be sweeping across the area and picking the system up and pushing it out to sea. Well, that'll conclude the Daily Ops weather briefing for this morning. We'll be back with an extended outlook at 10 a.m. Have a great day.